Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Salesforce navigation in classic view. So here we are going to see some of the important terms in classic mode. What are the points at which we have to focus more? So this session is not like we are going to do some task or we are going to create something, we are going to customize or configure the things, uh, but we are going to see the actual navigation where we have to focus more, or where we have to give more times in the real time environment, and what are the sections that is not much more needed. So let's log into our Salesforce account. So this is the login URL, login.salesforce.com, and by providing the username and password and hitting the login button, we are going to land our lightning experience page. To see we are in our lightning experience page or classic page, just click on view profile button. At the options section, we can see that switch to Salesforce Classic. It means we are on lightning experience page. To visit classic mode, we have to click on Salesforce Classic. We are landing to this default page uh, that is in classic view. So at the left corner, we are seeing the salesforce.com brand logo, and this is the session what is going on. Beside this, one search button is there. So here we can search the content what is existing in this organization. So right middle corner, we are seeing that switch to lightning experience. Anytime we need lightning view, then we can uh, click on this button. We will redirect to lightning experience page. After that, there is a user menu and there is a drop down menu. While clicking on this menu, we are seeing my profile. Here this all the details are coming, like my profile related things. Here your name, your email ID will be there. My settings means your username, you can change your password, and so many details are coming. Let's see what the important settings provided by Salesforce. So there is a personal information. This is the personal information. After clicking on this one, you will redirect to your personal information. You can change your password. Here language and time zone will be there. Login access, your my groups. This is the important term, reset my token. When we are dealing with our data import wizard or data loader, then this reset my token will be important. Sometimes we have to generate the new tokens, then we have to came over here, connections, login history, approver settings, advanced user details, authentication setting, and external systems. These are not much more important than the sum of the settings. Display layout is all about displaying and what the layout we are getting. Here email settings will be there, chatter related information, calendar and reminders will be there, desktop add-ons is there, and import is data import wizard for importing the data. After that, quick links is there, means directly clicking on this one we will redirect to that particular page. Change my password, edit my personal information, chatter, email notification, customize my tabs. So these are all about my settings. Then we are seeing the developer console. Developer console means when we are doing the customization part, means Salesforce have two parts: Salesforce administrator and Salesforce development part. Salesforce development part is all going to start from here itself. Means this is the platform where we can create the classes, triggers, design the visual force pages, components. We can create the static resource, lightning application component. We can build lightning interface, lightning events, and lightning tokens. So this from this section we can create the classes, triggers, and to open that particular classes or triggers or pages we have to click on open button. So this all part is empty because this is new org. So we will see this section in our development part. Again coming to next one, switch to lightning experience. Again it is working same like this one only, and clicking on logout button it is getting logged out from your organization. Next is setup. It is much more important part in classic view. So this is the toppest important part. Let's see. Beside this, help is there. Help is all related to help information what is provided by Salesforce. Beside that, we are seeing the app menu. App menu holds all the applications provided by Salesforce. Here right now we are seeing all the standard application given by Salesforce, and when we are going to create our own app, that is also going to came in this section only. So sales app, service app, marketing, CRM, classic app launcher, community, site.com, Salesforce chatter, content, all tabs. These are the apps provided by Salesforce. Again, so app exchange is the part where all the apps are created by Salesforce or from third party and put over there. If someone needs that particular application is going to helpful for them, they can install and do their work. Some of the applications are free and some of the applications are paid. So developer community is all about developer related informations. Next, Trailblazer community. It is the section where we are asking our question or giving the answer to the question posted by others. So this is all about app menu part. Next is at the left side we are seeing that create new. If something is created new, then it is coming over here. Recent items is coming over here. This is the recycle bin of this particular org. Then username is getting displayed. This is the date and time it's going to display. Post, file, new event, and in the more section more links are given to us. Below this, calendar is there, my task, item to approve. uh, these are the parts coming over here. And we are seeing right now sales application. So in the sales application, these are the tabs or these are the objects given uh, to us that is created by Salesforce, like chatter, campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunity, forecast, contracts, order, cases, solutions, products, reports, and dashboards. So most of the time we are going to click setup button, then coming to administrator part, build part, deploy part, monitor part. These are the important sections where we have to spend much more time. So in the administrator part, what are the important links we have to uh, give more time, or we have to do the task. So manage users, it's holding user section. All the users what we are going to create, by clicking on this section we are going to create or see the user related details. Then roles is coming. In any organization there must be a role hierarchy, who is reporting to whom, that all the things are going to be done by here. Permission set, if someone needs some extra set of permissions, then we are creating from here. Then profile is important. Each and every user we are creating in Salesforce organization, profile is mandatory, and profile is the level of access given to user. Then public group is going to be important. Queue section is important. Login history for seeing the history. In this section this much is going to be important. Then manage manage apps, manage territories, company profile, it is important. Here company information is there, so clicking on company information, it's giving detailed information of that particular organization. So organization name, who is the contact person, what is the address, and which type of edition he had taken. So this is developer edition. uh, and user licenses is coming over here. Permission sets is coming over here. Feature licenses, user based entitlements. So all the details we are seeing for the particular organization from here. Physical year, we can create our own physical user, and also given by Salesforce all standard physical year. Business hours, holidays, language setting, this all the settings we can do from here. Then data classification, security controls, this is also going to play an important role. So in this section, health checkups, sharing setting, field accessibility, password policy, session settings, login flows, these all are important parts. We are going to give more time to this section also in the real time. Then domain management is all about related to that particular domain what we are seeing here right now. Communication templates means letterheads, email templates, and mail merge templates we are going to create from here. Then data management is also important. Integration rules and data import wizard is important. Storage users we can see from here. Data loader is going to play an important role when we are dealing with large number of data. Then for mobile administration, this part, Outlook integration, Gmail integration, and these are the parts where in the administrator part it's important. Then coming to build section, or in the customization section. So customize is holding all the standard objects provided by Salesforce. So these many objects provided by Salesforce. For any object, all the settings are given to here itself by clicking on that particular link. So next is create. In the create apps section is much more important. When we are going to create our own app, or as per our business need application, then we are coming to this section. Then object, for any application object is important. Then for the object we are going to create the tabs also to see the object related details. So global action is also going to play some little bit important role, and workflow and approval is much more important. In earlier days, this is the hot topic of Salesforce, but nowadays flow is coming. Salesforce is saying that move to flow, avoid writing or creating the workflows. So in the develop section, this all the part is coming under customization part, means writing the apex classes, triggers. While clicking on apex classes, here we are seeing all the details of apex classes. Then on the apex triggers, all the apex triggers are coming over here. Then what are the settings, APIs, Visual Force components. uh, then events are coming. Lightning components in is Visual Force page design, sites, static resources. These are the important points. Remote access. In the Lightning bold section, schema builder is much more important. Lightning app builder to create the apps in Lightning mode. Installed packages. This is again an important part. What all the packages we are going to install, we are going to see from here itself. What is the package uses, we can see from here. Deploy, this is for deployment settings is there. Deployment, what the status of particular deployment, is this part is holding. Monitor, again system overview is important. Let's see what is in system overview. So system overview is holding all the information related to this particular org. So this is the maximum limit it's providing by Salesforce, and what we had used, that is also showing over here. So this, as this org is new, so I had not created anything in this org. So your custom objects, your custom settings, total custom objects, total custom settings, custom metadata types, metadata type uses, what is the data storage, how many rules, apex triggers, apex classes, code used, this is the characters, license, integration user license given by Salesforce and it's occupied. Salesforce two licenses is it's providing. One I had already created, one I can create. Chatter free user. Then at the right side, API users is coming. User interface means custom application, maximum 10. Active Salesforce site is 1 only. Active flows is 2000, maximum limit. Custom tabs 100, maximum limit. Visual Force pages. So this is also an important part in the monitor section. Optimizer, then imports, outbound messages, how we are going to send. So we have to came in this section. Time based workflow actions, and mass email, this is important. Again in the job section, how many scheduled jobs is there, what is apex job, apex flex queue, background jobs are running or not. If any background job is running, then we have to came into this section and see from here. Then logs, email log files, debug logs and debug labels, we are seeing from here. So this is all about navigation of Salesforce Classic View. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.